Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you two websites that you can use to start blogging for free without having your own personal website or without having any money. So you can actually start blogging without website, without money. If you have a lot of story to tell, you can actually start blogging, publish your story to the world and start earning money with it. Okay, so I should be revealing two websites you can use to actually get it done. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end and do not skip any of the steps. So guys, the first website that I will be showing you today is called Medium. As you can see on Medium, we write different stories. It can be about technology, it can be about health, it can be about relationship, it can be about politics, it can be about health or any other stories. So if you are passionate about starting a blog, make sure you have your own niche, that is your own specific topic that you want to be writing stories, content about. Okay, so when you finally have a niche or a topic you want to be talking about, you can just get started with Medium and register your account and start uploading your stories. Okay, now to get started, you will click on get started here to register your account. I have already have an account with them. I will just click on sign in and log into my account. So guys, this is my account. The network is very bad, but it's still loading up. So when you finally register, you will click on this place to set up your profile. You need to set up your profile, your name, your blog name, and others. So don't forget that this is actually for those that cannot afford a website. Okay, so you can start doing something with your mobile phone or your PC and without paying any money. So everything is actually free. Now this is where you click on edit profile to edit your name, your blog name, and others. You can also select a profile picture and set up everything. So when you are done setting up your profile, you will click on write. You can see write right here. You will click on write to start publishing your story. So I will be guiding you to make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, if you are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you not miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, now the first thing you'll be doing here is to type the title of your story. So I'll be starting with the benefits of drinking orange. Okay, now you just type it here, the the benefits of drinking orange. So guys, if you don't have any write-up about the benefit of drinking orange, you don't have to be worried. So that is why I said in the beginning of this video that I'll be showing you how to start a blog without even knowing anything, without being a writer. Even though you are not a writer, you can start now. The next thing you'll be doing now is to copy your topic. When you copy the topic, you will need to navigate to this website which is called ChatGPT. So guys, with ChatGPT, you will need to register an account for free and you can start asking ChatGPT any question on any topic. So if you are writing stories about technology, you can ask ChatGPT. If it's about relationship, it's about any story. So what you are going to be doing when you set up your account, it will look like this and you can see this send a message. You just paste your topic, the benefit of drinking orange, and you click on enter. So by the time you click on enter, ChatGPT will help you to list out the content for free, guys, and you can copy it. And you see now that ChatGPT is currently dropping some write-up for us about the benefit of drinking orange. So guys, let us wait patiently for ChatGPT as it will be dropping a lot of content for us on this specific topic. You can see ChatGPT has just dropped 7 benefits of drinking orange. So you can also tell ChatGPT, if this is not enough, you can tell ChatGPT to please give tell me more. You can tell ChatGPT to tell you more about it. So ChatGPT will keep listing a lot of benefits of drinking orange. Okay, so as you can see right now, ChatGPT is keeping writing content for us. So you can use ChatGPT to write any content. You can also even ask for reference. ChatGPT will drop it for you. Okay, so when ChatGPT is done with all the stories with the write up, you just need to copy them. So let us wait for ChatGPT to stop writing. Can you see right now that ChatGPT is done with the write-up? And what you will be doing is to just right-click on it and copy all. So you just need to copy all, right-click and copy. So when you are done with the copy, you will not just go and paste it directly on your blog. Okay, you will not just go and paste it directly. Now the next thing is that you open your Microsoft Word. So you can do all these things with phone. When you open Microsoft Word, you click on paste, you paste it. So when you paste it, you can see that it's showing some square. It's showing some square. So what you will do here, you control A and light everything. You select this. Can you see this one? You select it and you select normal. So everything has been normal. The next thing you'll be doing is to just do some arrangements. So I'll be doing some arrangements. I'll pause this video now and do some little arrangements in order to save our time. So guys, you can see now that I am done with the arrangement. You can see that I bold some text, and I selected like 10 out of what ChatGPT has dropped for us. Okay, so when you are done, you put your size in 14. You will justify your words, and of course you put it in 1.5. So that is what I just did to this write up. So when you are done, you will control A, you copy all, you select all and copy all. Then you now go back to your medium to go and paste it. Remember the benefit of drinking orange. That is our story. Now tell your story. This tell your story, that is where you will click on, and you will click on paste. Remember you have copied our content. You click on paste. Now this is the benefit. You can see the write up right here. This is the write up. Can you see guys that it is very easy to become a blogger if you have time or if you have passion for it. Now you have copied, you have pasted everything. The next thing you are going to be doing is to publish our story for people to see. Now when you are done like this, you can, of course you can say add some little things. If you have some thing to add, if you have some link to add to blend in any link, you can do that. So when you are done, you click on publish. When you click on publish, you can add more topics to this write-up. You can add more topics. And if you have any image that you want to input on this, like orange image, you can also do that, even from the beginning. So you can also input an image. So when you click on this place, when you click on after this orange, you can see my cursor, you press enter, you select this sign button, you can select image. So when you click on image, you can add any image as you can add orange image just to showcase what you are talking about. Okay, now you need to select orange image. You can download that on Google. So this is what I want to use. You click on open. So when you click on open, it will bring the image like this. So you can go ahead to go and publish. Now let me publish this. Now you can add more topic. You can add more. You can add or change topics up to 5. So readers know what your story is about. So you can also add more stories. You can add more topic on this on this benefits of drinking orange. So when you are done with all these things, you will click on publish. You will click on publish. So when you click on publish, your story will be published. So you can see it's showing publishing story. So guys, as you can see that the story has been published successfully. You can see this is the story right here. Of course, you can still edit your story. You can still edit your story and a lot of things. A lot of things can still be done. You can share them on your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others. You can also copy the link and share directly to your friends and anywhere you want it to go to. Okay, so when you start doing this frequently, you will start having a lot of followers on your Medium page, and from there you can monetize your page and Medium will start paying you. Okay, so you can still edit this story. If you want to edit, when you click on this three line, you can still edit this story. You can pin this story to your profile. You can do a lot of things on this Medium website. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that many people will see it and benefit from it. Now about the monetization, you can see that here that these are the criteria. So you must publish at least one story to apply for the partner program. Okay, can you see now? And you must have 100 plus followers. So for you to have 100 plus followers, you need to keep uploading a lot of content, telling stories, and you can share your link to your friends, your social media, and tell them to follow you on the Medium. So if you are, then the third thing is that you have to stay active. So if you are active and doing all these things, you will get monetized in no time. Within 1 week or highest within a month, you will get monetized and you will start making money on this platform. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.